Mom, we're going to do a different kind of candle holder today. This one has blue marbles in it, or babbles. Kind of gives you another way to do candlelight, or use your candles without having the wax run all down the candlesticks and all over your holders. So what we're going to do today, I have just a regular plain wine glass. We have a 12-ounce bag of babbles, fillers, we call different things. Just gonna cut this open with, I've been told this is red, the scissors from all of our other videos. There's the tag off of the little babble glass pieces. And this one I'm putting pink in, you know, as Valentine's is coming close. But you could, you know, for every day, you could use blue, you could use green, whatever would match your kitchen. But we're going to set this down in the middle. Make sure you kind of arrange your babbles however you want. You could use a smaller candle, using a bigger one. Well, and there you have a way to hold your candle. Make it look pretty and festive for the holiday, or you know, just having something for an everyday on your table or somewhere. You can do it in a small bowl. Just different ways that you can showcase candles without having a drippy candle wax mess. Thank y'all for watching. Goodbye.